1. Hello students, we're back with No Frills Division with Mr. Burns, and this time I'm wearing a red tie. I thought I'd get dressed up. We're going to do some teaching, we're going to do some together, and then you're going to try some all by yourself. Okay, let's get cracking. Let's have a look at a good one here. Let's go 5 into 602. And just before that, a reminder about what division is. Let's pretend that I had a $100 bill and I had 4 of my favourite students. There they are, my favourite students, and I wanted to give them both the same amount of money, and I only had $100 to do that. Well, you've got to work out what is $100 divided by 4. That's what division is, and I'll tell you the answer is it's $25. That would mean I'd give each lucky student exactly $25 each, but I wouldn't do that because I'm an excellent teacher, and that's a terrible thing for a teacher to do, to give students money. But anyway, let's do this sum. Let's do 5 into 602. Let's go, you always start off in the left with division. You go to the left, you start off with a number on the outside, so that's 5 into 6. Okay, and then you go into the brackets. So we go 5 into 6 is, well, it goes once, doesn't it? And there's a remainder of 1. So we're done there. We cross that off and we carried the 1 over to here. Okay, now we go 5 into 10, because this 1 next to the 0 makes a 10. So 5 into 10 is 2. Okay, and that's done. Nice and clean, finished, good. Now we've got to finish off the sum. We go 5 into 2 here, which actually goes 0 times, because 5 doesn't fit into 2, does it? But of course, 2 here, you've got to deal with it, so it becomes a remainder. Remainder 2. Okay, let's have another teaching video. Let's do the one that I think is a bit of a tricky one. This one tends to trick people. Let's do 8 into 809. That's a good one. Okay, 8 into 809. So, always start off on the left, don't we? So we go 8, here's the 8, and we're going to put it into this 8 here. Okay, then we go into the first number in the bracket. So 8 into 8 goes 1. Okay, done. Clean, lovely. Now 8 into 0 goes 0. Done, finished. Okay, it goes in no times. 8 into 9 goes once, doesn't it? But there's one remainder, because 8 plus 1 equals 9. So, remainder of 1. Okay. Maybe I'll teach one more just in case. Which one should I teach you? Let's have a go at this. Let's just go 3 into 201. Good. Okay. Let's start off with the 3. We go 3 into 2. Doesn't go. Doesn't go. So we have to carry the 2. So you can put a 0 down because it doesn't fit at all. You can cross that off and you carry the 2. Okay? So now, of course, here is 20. Because you carried the 2, didn't you? Okay, 3 into 20 goes, you've got to know your tables. 3 7s are 21, go down. 3 6s are 18, so it's 6, right? And there's a remainder of 2. So pop that down, okay? Or is there? Yes, there is. 3 6s are 18, and a remainder of 2 to 20. Okay, and then 3 into 21 now. So 3 into 21 goes exactly 7. Done. Now you could have just had 67 as well. This 0 here means nothing. It just means 0 hundreds. Okay? Alright, let's do some together. Let's have a together go. Let's do, say, 8 into 801. Let's do it together. Where do we start off? Start off over here with the 8. So 8 into what? Into this 8 here. You tell me, what's 8 into 8? What is it? It's 1. Definitely. Done. Cross it off. Now, we do this 8 again, right? 8 again. We've got to keep going. 8 into 0 goes what? What does it do? 8 into 0 is exactly nothing. You've got to put that 0 down. People forget that. You must put it down. Right, cross it off. Done. 8 into 1 Okay, goes, well, again, 0, but you can't just ignore the 1. There is a 1 there to be dealt with, so you cross it off, and it's a remainder. Oh, gee, we didn't do that much together, did we? I'll try and get you to do the next one a bit more together. All right, let's have a go at 9 into just a classic 321. Let's have a go together. Where do we start off? We start off at the 9. Good, I hope you said that. And 9 goes into this 3. And what should we do? Because it won't fit. What should we do? Okay, we put a 0 down because it doesn't fit. It goes in no times. But you've got to deal with this 3 here, so you cross it off and make it a remainder. So now it's 9 into 32. Okay? What's 9 into 32? Can you work that out? Have a think. Okay? 9 into 32 is 3 times, because 9 3s are 27. So put down 3, cross that off. What's the remainder from 27 to 32? Can you work that out? The remainder is 5. Good. Can you work out 9 into 51? Got to know your tables. Got to know your tables. All right, let me work it out. 9 6s are 54, so go lower. 9 5s are 45. Good. So 9 5s are 45, and there's a remainder of, well, what? Can you work it out? Remainder of 6, because 45 to 51 is 6. So remainder 6. Okay, your turn. All by yourself to have a go. Let's set you some all by yourself. How exciting this is. Let's do 8 into 703. Right. Pause me and then do it. Okay, I hope you paused me because I'm back now. Right. 8 into 7 goes, well, goes 0, doesn't it? It doesn't fit. But there's a 7 remainder. You've got to deal with that 7. Okay, 8 into 70. Well, that's a tough one. 8 9s is 72, 8 8s is 64, with a remainder of 6, of course. Right, 8 into 63 goes, well, gee, nearly 64, but not quite. 8 into 63 goes, 8 7s are 56, aren't they? 8 7s are 56, and a remainder of 7. Wonder if you got that. That was a toughie. Okay, you could have just had 87 remainder 7. This 0 it means nothing. It's in the 100 columns. A 0 in the 100 columns just means nothing there. It's got no value. Alright, let's do another one. Let's see how you went. That was pretty hard, actually. Let's have a go at 9 into 908. Pause me. Pause me and have a go all by yourself. I hope you paused me. Okay, let's go. Because we're back. 9 into 9 goes 1. Done. 9 into 0 goes 0. Done. 9 into 8. Uh-oh. Can't do. It's a 0. But there's this 8 you've got to deal with. So cross it off and make it a remainder. Done. Hope you got that one correct. One more for you to do, students. Let's do 7 into 7,000. Let's go 1,000. 7,073. That's a good one. Nice big one. Have a go at that. Don't be thrown by the 4 digits. No sweat. Pause me. Okay, we're back. Let's go. 7 into 7 goes 1. Good. Let's go. 7 into 0 goes... Oh, I forget. No, I don't. It goes 0, doesn't it? And cross off that and cross off that. It's done. Right, let's go. 7 into this 7 goes 1. Great, and that's done. 7 into 3 goes... well, it won't fit. Well, it won't fit. So you've got to put down a 0 because it doesn't fit, but you've got to deal with the 3. So the 3 becomes a remainder of 3. Okay, guys, hope you're going okay. Look, if you got them all wrong, you better come and see me. Or, even better, watch the next videos because they should explain it a little bit better. If you're still not getting it, come and see me. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Cheers.